ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मा
ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मा
ब्रह्म ब्रह्मविवर्धनः
ब्रह्म ब्रह्मविवर्धनः
ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी
ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी
ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः
ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः.
The individual soul is called Jiva. He is an enjoyer in two ways. He enjoys the fruits of his actions and he enjoys the benefit of liberation that comes through knowledge. The Jiva as an enjoyer is called Brahma. The objects of enjoyment are also called Brahma. The experience of enjoyment is also called Brahma. So we have the enjoyer, the objects of enjoyment, and the experience of enjoyment. All the three aspects are known as Brahma. He has appointed Brahma with 4 phases to do creation, which includes all the 3 aspects mentioned above. He causes to flourish tapas and dharma, which are required for the maintenance of creation. He is the Parabrahma, the Supreme Self, who can be reached only with the help of the Vedas. The Vedas define and establish him. To do so, he manifests as Brahmana. A Brahmana realizes him through the understanding of the Vedas. He is Brahmana Priya. He has great liking for the Brahmins who are devoted to the study, instruction and propagation of the Vedas.
ब्रह्मण्यः
ब्रह्मण्यः
ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मा
ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मा
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 ब्रह्मविवर्धनः
ब्रह्मविवर्धनः
ब्रह्मवित्
ब्रह्मवित्
ब्राह्मणः
ब्राह्मणः
ब्रह्मी
ब्रह्मी
ब्रह्मज्ञः
ब्रह्मज्ञः
ब्राह्मणप्रियः
ब्राह्मणप्रियः.
ॐ ब्रह्मण्याय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मण्याय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्मणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मविवर्धनाय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मविवर्धनाय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मविदे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मविदे नमः.
ॐ ब्राह्मण्याय नमः.
ॐ ब्राह्मण्याय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मिणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मिणे नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मज्ञाय नमः.
ॐ ब्रह्मज्ञाय नमः.
ॐ ब्राह्मणप्रियाय नमः.
ॐ ब्राह्मणप्रियाय नमः.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.